Hi everybody, Rose here. Thank you for joining me on this Olympic day. So I'm last to go, and if you haven't watched the premieres, I'd love it if you go watch the other ladies, and all their links are in my description box, and all the colors I'm using are in the description box because there's a lot of colors. So I'm doing a wood round, and I've already got it primed, and my friend Lee does amazing work on wood, and it's repurposed wood and it's special wood. This isn't special wood. I just got this at Lowe's. It was like $10. It's 15-inch round, and you can do different projects with it. So see, so I'm hoping to make a little side table after it dries. And then I've got my small companion canvas 4x4, and I'm sure you've heard already, but that piece is going to be for the random acts of art. And we leave pieces out to be found, and it's lots of fun. I also have the wood propped up on some cups, but I duct taped a long stick so that I can move the wood without having to grab the sides, because I don't want to wreck the sides. So I've got 5 cups. For the 5 Olympic rings, which represent the 5 continents in the world. And we're going for the gold, so you could either use gold, silver, or bronze. And I decided, we'll see how this works, I've decided I'm gonna use all 3. I'm gonna use a cup with gold, a cup with silver, a cup with bronze. The other 2, I might do all 3. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to layer the cups up. I'm going to flood my wood with black, which is out of my norm. I don't usually flood with black. But I've used a lot of golden paint because we're going for the gold. It's beautiful paint. And I've got... so let's get started.
Driving down the road that I grew up on once again. It's when I pass your door, the memories come back again. Pictures of us flooding back just like a wave. Makes me wonder what happened, what you're up to today. Remember when we stole your mother's car, we drove for days. Teenagers with too many feelings and rage. We were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how to play guitar, and we started up a band in my garage. We thought our dream would take us so far, but after a week or so it all just fell apart. But we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. I remember thinking if I only could stop the time right now. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when we didn't care what they said. People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when, way back when, we were higher than the ceiling, middle fingers to the sky. Way back when, way back when.
it is wet. And here's the companion piece, but I actually had so much leftover paint I made 2 more. So I have 3 Random Acts pieces and my gold, silver, and bronze Olympic piece. And I will show this all to you when it dries. All right, here it is, dried and resined. I did do a little more swirlies off camera for the middle. Sorry for the glare. I really like the piece. You can see the 5 rings on the outside, and then in the middle is the gold, and it kind of looks like a gold star to me. But and then here are the companion pieces. I resin these 2, and I didn't resin that one yet. I probably will. But here are the edges, and I'll probably make a little side table out of it. But here it is. Happy Olympics. Go Team USA. I like my team for the win. And have a great day, everybody, and peace.